videos. So today we are going to focus about monkey, which is a wild animal, but they are so cute, isn't it? Look at behind me. So our group has done a research about the problem of monkey in our College Pendeta Zakbar.
Can you introduce me yourself?
My name is Hassan Al-Faqih. I am from Yemen. I'm doing PhD in Engineering Management, Faculty of Engineering. Yeah.
Okay, so my first question is, how do you feel about monkeys in our college?
Well, I say in College Zakbar, sometimes there are some monkey climb the rooms. So I noticed some noise there. So usually, students, they close their window because I see in the highest floor. So I see from downstairs some monkey enter inside the room. And, and some they steal something what they can find to eat. Even if it's closed, they open it and eat.
Oh, they can still open it by themselves.
Yeah, and I think they are good thief.
Good. Have you actually encountered yourself the monkey, or actually have you seen them attack your friends?
Not really. I only see them attack the rooms.
Not in your room?
No, not in my room.
So okay, my last question is, do you think the authorities should take any action on this issue?
Well, it depends. If they are harmful, if they attack anyone, if they, any bad thing from them, they should stay away. Not only monkeys, also dogs or other animals.
Okay, my name is Husham. I'm from FTSM. I'm taking IT, second year, first sem. I'm from Iraq, Qatar. So, now you can ask me.
Okay, so regarding the monkey in our college, how do you feel about the monkeys?
It's something natural. I cannot do anything with it. That's all.
Okay, so the second question, have you encountered with the monkeys?
Yeah, once my windows was open. Then the monkey wanted to come inside, so I closed it. Yeah. So it's like disturbing sometimes.
So what is your reaction on that time?
I was surprised that there was monkeys here.
The monkeys stealing your
No, never.
So the last question, in your opinion, what do you think? Did the college should do something or take any action from these issues?
I don't think so, because you cannot stop something naturally happening. So just leave it. You just have to be careful about your things, your rules. That's all. Because they won't do something else. They just want food. That's all. Yeah. So you cannot take someone else's place and then ask that someone to leave it. It's like not correct. So this is why.
Can you introduce yourself?
Okay, my name is Cameron and I'm from FUU. Currently is studying for my first year in UKM.
Okay, so regarding the monkeys in our college, so I want to ask you first questions. How do you feel about the monkeys in KPZ?
How do I feel? Because I think the monkey issue is not quite disturbing me lah. Because I stay in the block and actually my floor is like quite high. The monkey cannot like intrude into my room. So but it's quite, I feel frustrated lah when I see the monkey go and
Steal the food,
mess
right?
the
Mess
rubbish. So.
Okay, so the second question, have you encountered with the monkeys before?
No, actually, but I heard some of my friends have encountered. It's quite like so big case, and also I feel so sad for them because after the messy things, they have to clean all the things in their room after the tiring days.
Yes. So have the monkey entered your friend's room?
Yes.
So the third question, what in your opinion
what do you think? Do you think the college should do some solution regarding this problem?
Okay, actually, I don't think there's a solution for this issue because we are staying in the UKM and UKM is surrounded by the forest. So we have nothing to do with the issue because we are the human. We have the responsibility to protect the environment.
What is your name?
My name is Muhammad Taha.
Muhammad Muntar. Okay, nice name. Okay, so you are from faculty?
FTS in Faculty of Computer Science and Information.
And you are KPZ college student here?
Sorry, can you say again?
KPZ student? KPZ. College student Sabah. You live
No.
No.
I stayed here for 2 weeks last year, but I'm not staying here now.
So, okay, first question I'd like to ask you. How do you feel about the monkey on our college?
Well, first time it was quite surprising because I used to only see monkeys in zoo, but it's just everywhere. And then suddenly became not really so interesting when one day I was parking my car and I saw almost hundreds of monkeys passing by. So I had to stay in the car to just watch them, and then I thought they were trying to attack or somehow, but fortunately they were all just passing by. So then I realized that it may not be always interesting. If they want to attack, I can't do anything. And I went to Mecca. I remember I went to Mecca almost 10 years ago, and that time also I had a similar experience. There were monkeys, and I was just looking at the monkeys and saying, what a nice monkey. And then suddenly they grabbed my stuff and they ran away. And so this time, when I saw monkeys actually in UKM, then I actually tried to be more careful.
Oh, yeah. So have you encountered the problem like
No,
in
not.
the Mecca here?
No, fortunately not.
Fortunately.
2 times they were actually following me, but then nothing happened.
Oh, nothing
So
happened.
yeah, I was just protective in case they jump on to take something, but fortunately nothing happened so far.
Oh, okay, thank God. Okay. So, what do you think the police should do about the problem?
Well,
Do you think any authority here should take some action regarding problems?
well, it
with the
depends. It depends if there are a number of incidents reported to the faculty. I'm not aware of really the total number of incidents, but obviously if the number of incidents happened during the past year are more than what they expected, then definitely they should take actions. If it's just 1 time or 2 times in the past year or 2, it may not be really something to take action, because UKM is located somewhere that, like in the faculty, in our FTSM faculty, next to the block H that I'm staying, it's just nothing. It's the jungle. So they can't do anything because they also have to. Yeah, it's actually the jungle that we are trying to now build the buildings. So
your habitat, right?
yeah, they are habitats here. So probably no action is required unless there are too many incidents.
Alright. Okay, thank you so much, Muhammad. Okay, Assalamualaikum.
Hello.
Hi. Okay.
Hello.
I'm Izzy. So,
Yes.
first of all, I would like you to introduce yourself.
Yes. Okay. My name is Azra bin Azmi. I'm from education. I mean the Faculty of Education. Right now, I'm doing my PhD for the educational management, sponsored by our Ministry of Education.
Okay. Okay, first of all,
Yeah.
I would like to ask you 3 questions.
Okay.
The first question, how do you feel about monkey in our college?
Monkey, what I feel.
Yeah.
For me, I don't have any problem with that problem because at this moment, I don't have any problem with the attack by monkey. I mean, but
For the rest, I mean the student of our the resident of our college always said about that problem attacked by monkey. Maybe it's quite disturbing us as a human, and of course as a student.
Alright, so do you mean, have you ever encountered with that monkey, or your friends have you seen them encountered by the monkey?
Okay, refer to the first question. I mean your first question, and I answered that I have a problem. So of course I don't have any encounter by that problem. But as a precautions, and as my friends, my friend said, because my friends attacked by monkey before, so he always make sure that the windows locked, closed. That's what I thought.
Okay.
Okay, now is the findings based on our interviews that we have done. Some of the interviewees said that they are annoyed with the monkeys because their belongings are taken by them.
Yeah, sometimes when but our clothes when we
Your clothes, okay.
we try to dry at that then they stole our clothes and
Okay,
I can't
the
find
monkey
my
stole your clothes.
I can't find my underwear.
Some of the interviewees said that the authorities should take an action to them.
I think about the college.
Yeah.
Sure. The college is supposed to take actions for that problem.
Yeah.
She's crying out that she loves me, holding my hands.
Other interviewees said that they are just okay having the monkeys around because they know that this is their habitat.
You cannot stop something naturally happening. So just leave it.
Nothing to do with the issue because we are the human. We have the responsibility to protect the environment, preserve it.
Okay, so do you think that the authorities should take an action towards the monkeys?
I think in this case, I think it's best to let them be because it's really their natural habitat. I mean, like, why should we push them away and throw them away since we are living in their house?
Okay, based on the interview session that we have done, we can conclude that most of respondents say it is the best to leave the monkeys to their habitat. It is true that sometimes monkeys bring annoyance to the people, but actually we are the one who conquer their home. Hence, I repeat that it is the best to leave the monkeys to their habitat. So that's all from me. Thank you.
My youth is yours, tripping on skies, sipping waterfalls. My youth is yours, run away now and forever. My youth is yours, a truth so loud you got it all. My youth, my youth. Well, imagine as I'm pacing the pews in a church corridor, and I can't help but to hear, no, I can't help but to hear an exchanging of words. What a beautiful wedding, what a beautiful wedding, says a bridesmaid to a waiter. But what a shame the poor groom's bride